Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can bid on the projects on Upwork and how to write a winning proposal on Upwork that will generate you more clients. Without wasting your time, let's get started. First, go to upwork.com and then create an account on Upwork. If you have not one already, then complete your profile 100% on Upwork. And after completing your profile, when you will create a new account on Upwork, you will get 50 free connects on Upwork. If you don't know how to create your account and get verified on Upwork, you can check out my video that is linked with the iCard above. And then when you have set up your account and your profile is 100% complete and you are ready to go, want to get a new job, then search for the jobs related to your field. There is every type of job on Upwork which you can choose to work on according to your expertise. Now search for the jobs. Before submitting your proposals, check out that the client has a verified payment method, and then submit the proposals only, because if the client is not payment verified, then he is maybe just checking out. He is not a serious person, I think. Okay, then search for the jobs. I like this job, and now I am going to read the requirements. If the requirements meet my expertise, then I will submit a proposal. First, I will check the payment method is verified, the client's location, and the client has submitted some jobs previously. Client has also spent some money, and there are 5 to 10 proposals submitted, and the clients have good feedback also from the previous freelancers. Okay, now I am going to read the job details. Okay, client need a basically a LMS type of website where he want to teach students and want to interact teachers with the students. So I think this is suitable for me, so I am going to submit a proposal for this. We can check the website also. Okay, after checking the website, I am going to submit a proposal. I am going to put my hourly rate, and then I'm going to write a cover letter. I'm going to write hi. It's better if you can find your client's name on previous feedbacks. I could not find this client's name, so I'm going to just write hi. Otherwise, you can write hi John or hi Dennis, etc. I have read your job, which is relevant to my expertise, and I understand your requirements. Will complete the work according to your expectations. In the job field, line says mention the plugins which you will use. So I am going to write two LMS plugins. I will use these plugins, Learn Dash and LearnPress. Now I am going to add my portfolio link. If you have your portfolio or your website, you can attach it. Now I am going to tell my client why I am the great fit for this job. So I am going to write my core focuses include quality, usability, modern and visually appealing website designs. I never compromise with any of these all, and I am easy to communicate with, and I am open to any real-time adjustments for any time zone. I always deliver on time with the complete satisfaction of my clients. So this is where you can tell your clients why you are the great fit for this job. You can also write this here on the top, and you can also write it here wherever you want. And then if you have some relevant examples, you can add them. If you have built these types of website before, you can add them. Now I have added these 3 to 4 relevant projects distributed over a few websites of WordPress, Elementor, and Divi, so that you can analyze the quality of my design and development work. Then give a call to action to your client. Are you available for a call so you can discuss about the project? Okay, this is the Grammarly which I am using, the Grammarly extension which solves these grammatical errors and grammatical mistakes. You can download it from Chrome Web Store. And then I am going to write discuss it, make this project run successfully. Regards, Zubair. So that's it. I think you can make it much better if you add the process, whole process about how you will deliver the work, how you will work on the project step by step. But I'm not going to discuss that now for now. So that's it. Now I am going to submit proposal. Click on submit a proposal. You can also attach your PDF files, etc. if you want. So that's how you can submit your proposals on Upwork. I hope this was helpful for you. If this helped you, then consider subscribing to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video and share this video. Thanks. Take care.